What is restorative justice or restorative practices? It's not something that's new. It's been in cultures across the world. It is accountability for the person who has caused the harm, as opposed to punishment. That piece is completely missing when we focus only on jail. I have seen many victims and victims' families give victim impact statements. They have a lot of questions. Why? Why did you do this? Did you realize the impact it had on me? Which are never answered by the traditional system, because defendants are really not allowed to talk about those kinds of things at sentencing or after. When they go to prison or they go to jail, nobody's asking them to actually acknowledge the harm that they've committed. Sometimes they will say, I would rather go to prison. Send me to jail, send me to prison. I cannot sit across a table and listen to, the impact of what I've caused. It's just too hard. But if people can do it successfully, it leads to far fewer people coming back into the system, and it leads to people who've been harmed on a much better path towards healing.